The wildfire on the Spanish island of La Palma has burned through at least 800 hectares, and now it's taken a life. Officials say park ranger Francisco Jose Santana died while fighting the fire. The 54-year-old leaves behind a wife and 5 children. Spanish police say they've arrested a German national who has reportedly admitted to starting the fire accidentally by attempting to burn used toilet paper. High winds are fanning the flames, which has sent some 700 residents fleeing their homes. Local authorities have called for help from the mainland to battle the fire, which still burns out of control.